The Igbos are a tribe in Nigeria, and we are known as eastern part of Nigeria. And we have so many dishes, and this is a special dish, specially made for our men, especially on weekends. It is called goat head, and we call it isiewu. Isiewu is a very delicious meal and is a special meal for men. Women also eat it, but women practically prepare this on weekends as a special thing for their husbands in Igbo land. Hi guys, welcome back to today's video. Today I am taking you to a journey through one of my cultural food called ishewu. So this is the ishewu that you're looking at. It is goat head, and the first thing you are going to do is to cook this. Ishewu takes time to cook. Okay, so when you're cooking, it takes hours. My husband has already cooked this before I came back from work. And before you start preparing it, the first thing is to debone the goat head. The goat head is big, and you know that it has a lot of bone. So to get all the flesh, to be able to get all the flesh out, you really have to cook it so that it be very tender, that in a way that you are even able to use your hand to remove the skin, remove all the flesh and the part that are edible without using a knife. So you just want to remove them. After removing them from the bone, separating the bone from the flesh, you want to dice it little by little, the way that you should be able to eat it. Okay, ishewu is a delicacy that is very special. So we make it with a lot of love and care in our heart as a woman. So I've had this ishewu for many months now in the fridge. And my husband is home this weekend. Even though I don't have all the complete ingredients that I would have loved to prepare this, I still want to give you the basic of how this ishewu is prepared in Igbo land. We do not prepare ishewu with the bone. We remove the bone. We disbone it because you want to get all the you want to get to enjoy it, not spending all your time cracking the bone. And even the head of goats, the bones are very strong, and it's very difficult to even crack. So once you debone your goat head and then you slice them in pieces. Guys, the reason why you really need to slice them in pieces is so that it is convenient for you to actually eat. And do not do this with your bare hand because it could be very messy. So with that, this is all that I got from that goat head. This is one particular goat head, a very big one. This is all that I got. I have taken the bones away. Now I want to introduce you to the ingredient. The first thing is crayfish. You have your blended crayfish. This is neatly blended, no sand. Then you have your 1 cube of Maggi and some red onion. I use some red onion because I find it very delicious and I've been using it. I don't know how to change. Then you have your ugba, which is called the oil bean. And then we have this ngo. We call it ngo. That is what you use in making the sauce. And this is the oil beans, which is also known as ugba. And we are also going to be using it. Then you will be needing some salt, of course, to taste, and then you need some palm oil. Good palm oil will give your ishewu the perfect taste. So these are all our ingredients. Look at them in case this is the basic, okay? This is all that you need. Then you need a pot. Guys, do not use a bowl. I tell people don't use a bowl because by the time you finish preparing this ishewu, you are going to warm it up before you eat. So put some oil inside the pot and gradually add your ungo. Ungo is made from potash. This particular one that I used was not made from potash. This is also a product of palm tree that is burnt, and then I soak it and use the water. Okay, so my mom prepares this for me in Nigeria and they send me the ashes, and then I soak it here in Germany. You want to add this water gradually, okay, so that you are able to get what you want. And when you are making ishewu, please do not make the sauce to be thick. If it is thick, you will not get to enjoy it. It's always good that when you're making the ishewu, that the sauce is very, very light, so that it will be able to go around the meat very, very well and be very, very creamy and juicy. And guys, if you are making ishewu, I repeat, make sure that you use a very good oil. This oil was was given to me by my neighbor, who also got it as a gift from Guinea. Okay, so this is straight from Africa. Though after you finish your ungo, go ahead and add your blended crayfish, and then you add some salt. Guys, be very, very careful with the salt, because the meat was already boiled with pepper, with salt. And yes, then you go in with your 1 cube of Maggi, depending the quantity that you want. Okay, if you want more, you can put, but I don't need more. And then you go in with your oba, your oil beans. You go in with it. Don't add everything. So this is what we have. This is the basic of ishewu. Yeah, this is the basic. Okay, and then you can go ahead and add the ishewu, the neatly diced ishewu, inside the pot. Do not use bowl to make ishewu. I don't understand people that make ishewu with bowl. Is it that you make it and then you eat it cold? I don't advise to eat. If you eat it cold, it's not going to be okay. So guys, I discovered that the sauce was not enough. It wasn't giving me what I wanted. It's too dry. So I mixed more sauce for the goat head. So this is just practically what I do. Just don't add all your sauce at once, and do not make a lot, so that you don't throw them away. It's not too much for the issue. So go ahead and add the rest of your ingredients inside it, and look at what I have. Guys, let me tell you the truth. If you are an Igbo woman and you marry an Igbo man, okay guys, here I am adding more pepper, because the pepper that was used to boil it was not enough. And then this is what we have. I added my onion, my red onion, at the end. I didn't add everything, because before I serve, I'm going to also sprinkle some on top. And then I added some salt also to taste. So guys, the thing is that when you're making ishewu, add your ingredients gradually and test as you go. And once you do it that way, it will come out nice and the taste that you want. So guys, this is the end product, and I'm going ahead now to serve Odogwu. And this is like saying happy weekend to him and making him happy. I'm not really making him happy. This is the way it should be, and this is where it is done in Igbo land. Okay, thank you so much, and I hope that this video helps you if you are planning to make something like this and you'll be looking for a way to make ishewu. This is the basic way to make ishewu. Any other thing that you want to add later is your business, but this is the ishewu. Thank you so much, and see you next time. Bye.